What's going on, everybody out there in internet land? This is Dave Henderson with Henderson Sculptural Arts Inc. and Alpine Sky Studio. I'm out here in the San Diego area in October, the day after Halloween, so it's actually November, it's not October. And we're making another one. We are making a Grotto slide combo on this wonderful little pool down here in San Diego. The rocks have been prefabricated and brought in, and then you just lay them around where you want them. Figure that out, and then you epoxy steel into the ground and put your 2-foot overlaps up onto the structures themselves, the rocks, tie them in, and you're good as gold on there. This whole thing is going to be a slide. We're going to walk up in this area and then get on the slide, and this is the first sort of the edge of the slide that's going to use as a guide. And I'm going to put the ribs in, and then you'll slide on down into the pool, wrapping around this corner. This section in here is going to be the interior of the grotto, cave grotto, and I'm thinking about having an opening in the back right here, which I think would be kind of cool. Gotta see what the customer thinks of that. And you epoxy steel into the side walls of the pool as well. Trying not to punch a hole in any pipes that might be around the perimeter of the pool. And once you get the steel epoxied in and it's gone off, the next day you come back and shape it out. So we've got a platform down at the bottom, which maybe you can see if I zoom in a little bit. So that area is going to be blown solid, and you'll be able to stand on there, and then there'll be places to sit, little bench there, and one over here as well. And so you have to create that cavity, that space on the inside, and we've got this little satellite there. We're going to put a rock right there to hide the equipment a little bit, and so they can get around to the other side. We've had a factory going on over here making rocks, and Bo's been dutifully bending the steel and giving us some small little guys to put in where you want. They're like puzzle pieces, so they're really easy to just put them where you want, and they're, you know, they're really light. And so these little guys, for our purposes, are fine. So those will be in a rock feature somewhere. Bo's putting the chicken wire on. Hi, Bo. What's happening?
What's up, Dave?
He is doing a great job, as he has done for a long time now, and we're wishing all good well for him, because he's going on to another job. He's going to be a park ranger here in California, and that's awesome. So he's finishing that up, and then that thing will be ready to pick up and put over where you want it to go. And we have a little satellite section, a grouping there of 2 stones. Here's our rebar. It comes in and bent, so I can fit it in my van, and I cut it in half with that rebar cutter bender thing. And then we have the most awesome scaffolding in the universe with ladders and 2x12s and 2x6s, etc. So we are in the rebar bending phase. So Mr. Dave here finishing up that phase, and then we're going to plumb it and get ready to get the piping in, and we will get that figured out. Put a 3-way valve so we can make the water go to the slide or the waterfall. So getting this one going. Thank you, God, for the work, and thank you for good workers and good clients and customers. Everybody out there, you be happy, be thankful, be forgiving, and be well. Oh, and be creative. All right? See you next time. Mr. Dave, checking out. Bye.